Yo, what is up, guys? Android Tech Tips back at it again. And today, I'm reviewing FIFA 15 for the Nintendo 3DS. Let me just move this Fortnite figure out the way, because Fortnite sucks. It does, but that figure was only $1, and I do need to decorate my room. So first of all, let's open this up. So I did buy this from a local shop, so it's not going to be in the greatest packaging, that's for sure. So this game was only $5, and I really hate this, guys. I hope you guys can agree with me. Why does Call of Duty for the Nintendo DS still cost $20? I think it should cost at least $5. $5's the max, honestly. Let me just cut this. Alright, so let's take this out of its packaging. So, oh, okay, so it's in this little DVD envelope, I guess. Oh, okay. Alright, here we do have the game. Oh! For the game that came out in 2014, honestly, I think this game has never been used. Like, there's literally nothing bad for it on it. So let me turn on my DS, or my 2DS. I'm getting a DSi XL so I can review these games, and an R4 card. So I hope you guys can tune in for that. So let me just put in the game. You can see it. FIFA 15. Boom, let's go. That was your classic Nintendo 3DS. Oh, where did I put my stylus? Sports. It's in the game. That's the classic EA. Back when EA didn't suck. Load. Yes, I'm Mexican, I'm Latino, so I am waiting to play as my favorite team. Hey, we got Messi on the front cover. My favorite team is not Chicago. Rest of the world. Okay, so this league. Boom. Let's go. So my name is, I'm just gonna put in Alex. Advance. Yes. Yo, let's do a kickoff. 11v11. Alright, but let's go. Venue select. For Alliance. So I really love the music on this actually, honestly. Let's go. I don't think they have this music on Spotify at all. This is like custom music. I mean, EA isn't really good anymore. They used to be though. But I mean, honestly, come on, you can't beat this music for a game. Wow, it's still loading. Yes. I'm just gonna play a quick match. Actually, not even a real match. So that's my review of this game. I really love it, actually. So, I mean, I've never played this game before, but FIFA 15. In the box of games you go. Bye-bye. Let's turn off the DS. Alright, guys. Well, thank you guys for watching. This is Android Tech Tips. I hope you liked the video. I hope you loved it, actually. Android Tech Tips out.